Hey guys, good morning. It's me, June Jam Worldwide. Ooh, the sun is bright today, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go into Ulta. I want to get some MAC products and Trader Joe's. The new Trader Joe's that I featured before in a video is right next door as well. It's over on this side. And I may go into Walgreens, spend that HSA, guys, on some vitamins and whatever I could spend it on. Yeah, so all right, I don't know if I could take you guys into Ulta, but I will see if I can. If not, I will share my haul. Ooh, it smells so good in here too. Ooh, check out this display, but it's empty. Oh, they're over here. I wonder if they have anyone to help me. Oh yeah. Okay, these are what I'm looking for. Oh, these are $39. That might be a winner. More MAC stuff. I need some help. So guys, I was just roaming around the store looking at the different things while I waited for some help. It's a treatment mask. She also have the leave-in foam boost. $28. $49 for the leave-in foam. My daughter should get this one. What else she has? Oh my god, her packaging is so pretty, so elegant. Love it. Scalp serum, and this is the jojoba oil blend. Guys, yeah, she got some more items on the bottom too. Very nice. Ulta has so many different brands. It's amazing. I could be in there for hours. I need to come back and take my daughter to look at the Tracy Ellis Ross items so she could go ahead and get some of those. Yeah, they had a lot of nails and eyelash items and the Tree Hut items. I did pick up stuff. I had to stop myself from continuing to pick up items, guys. So from Ulta, I picked up the Tree Hut Firming Sugar Scrub. The flavor is Tropical Glow. I also picked up a couple of the sheet masks. And I also picked up two of these. One is being mailed to me because they didn't have another one in store, so they're mailing that to me. This is the MAC Studio Fix Foundation. And I also have the face glue. That's the setting spray. And I got a lip gloss and a brow pencil. Yep, so that was my little haul. I think I spent maybe $110 or $112. I am all over the place today, guys. Yeah, now I'm in Walgreens. They have such a great sale on all their trail mixes, their cookies, and a lot of vitamins were not on sale, but I ended up getting a one-a-day women's vitamins. Their sandwich bags and M&Ms and all the candy and stuff was on sale, guys. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's me, June Jam Worldwide. It's Thursday, and we're expecting some big snowstorm down south here. It is actually 50 something degrees today, but apparently today and tomorrow we need to prepare ourselves because on the weekend it's going to be storming. So I'm out here in these streets, guys. I am trying to we don't need a lot. We have our candles, we have power banks, we have food, we have water. Yeah, but you know, I want to go get like a hardo bread. Yeah, you know, Jamaican people love them hardo bread. And some crackers. And I've been making soup, chicken soup, once a week now since I've had a cold. So I'm gonna try to get some ingredients just to have on hand, because I feel like I want to go ahead and make chicken soup maybe Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, in case the snow starts, I want to have my ingredients so I could go ahead and pull together a chicken soup, guys. All right, I will talk to you later, and I hope you guys have a good day wherever you're located. You don't get a lot of snow and you guys are safe. All right, to be continued, guys. Okay, Harris Teeter is having a big sale, but I didn't need a lot. They had their Intimins buy one get one. So I got the all butter loaf cake, like the pound cake, and then I have the Louisiana crunch cake. And they also have the Trident salmon burgers on sale today, 4 count for $6.99. They are normally $9.99. So I got 2 of those. These great when you need them as a quick meal. Yeah, and they also had the chicken stock and the chicken broth, $177, limit 4. So I got 2 stock, 2 broth. And guys, I'm addicted to their fried chicken. You get all this for $4.99. I'm gonna warm them up and probably do some dinner rolls. And they had the Idaho mashed potatoes on sale as well. 4 for $5, I wanna say. So I got 4. I got the roasted garlic parmesan and I got roasted garlic. Yeah, so I got those 4. And just for my pantry, I got 2 Vienna chicken sausages. So that is from Harris Teeter and from Aldi's. Oh my God, the line was in the back of the store, guys. Everybody's getting ready for this storm that's supposed to be coming in 2 days. So from Aldi's, I got some saltine crackers, 2 avocados, some green onions or scallions. Yeah, this is always in my haul. And I got a dozen eggs and the burger buns that would go with the salmon burgers, garlic breadsticks, and I also got the garlic Texas toast. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that away, put the chicken in the oven to reheat, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Good morning, guys. It's June Jam Worldwide. Super early here on Friday, January 23rd, 2026, y'all. I'm sitting in front of the Farmers International Foods. I just want to grab 3 missing items so I can go ahead and prepare my soup tomorrow. I want to get a piece of pumpkin, some chocho, and some white potatoes, and some Maggi soup mix. Morning. Morning. Everything international here, guys. Plantain chips, banana chips. I may get one of these. The green one. I may get a sweet one as well. Okay, I'm getting these 2. This is a pumpkin soup mix, and this is a chicken flavored soup mix. See, they have a lot of other things here, but we have so much snacks in the house. At least I know they have them here, and they don't have any hardo bread. Oh no. The music was so loud in here today, guys, so I had to mute and voice over. I wanted to show you the different items that they have here. It's impressive. 2 bags. I got everything except I didn't get any seasoning thyme because I did not want to pay $4 for 2 little pieces. I have some dried ones at home that I'm gonna go ahead and use.